clutch assembly fitment. Place the star washer. Insert the clutch assembly, along with engine gear, into the crankshaft. Install the bolt, along with tab washer and lock plate. Use special tool to hold the clutch assembly. Use 13mm socket. Tighten the bolt. Apply torque. Fold the lock plate. Clutch cover fitment. Place the gasket. Install the cover. Tighten the dowel side first. Use 8mm T-spanner. Tighten the bolts. Apply torque. Oil pressure switch fitment. Place the aluminium washer into the switch. Tighten the switch. Apply torque. Clean the strainer. Use new O-ring. Use new O-ring. Install the drain bolt. Tighten the drain bolt. Apply the torque. Fill some oil into the oil filter. Apply some oil on the filter lip. Install oil filter. Use oil filter fitting tool. Apply torque. Install starter motor. Use new O-ring. Install the bolts. Tighten the bolts. Apply the torque. Use new O-ring. Install the dipstick.